Hi guys, today's lesson is
Our
body organs. Okay, so who will start first? Leader. No, leader. 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 Who's the leader of Team Balading?
Si Michael.
Who's the leader of Team Balading? Kian, come here. Leader of SP. Okay. Oy, backward. No need ka kampe. Dito ka. Balading. Dito ka. Doon ka, Espinosa. Sino unang magda-dice? Ika, di ba? Ikaw ano ka? B. Sige, ikaw mag-dice. Pinakamataas, siyang mauuna. Pinakamababa, siyang huling magre-report.
Sana ako.
Bilis. Okay, 4. Ikaw na. 4. Okay, 6. So, sinong una? Yung mataas. Sino bang leader? Sino pinag-leader nyo? Okay. Today's practical for science body parts. I asked the students to draw. Okay? This is the Team Balading, Team Espinosa and Team Balading. Okay? Who will be first? Team what, ate?
Espinosa.
Okay, Team Balading, sit down first. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go.
Hello.
Ayusin mo, nak.
It helps to further digest.
You can do it.
Further digest food coming from the stomach.
Hello, everyone.
So, sa school, ganyan din. You roll your eyes. You sungit-sungit. I'll ask your teacher. Can I do that? Okay. Can you do it nicely to me? Because at this point, I am your teacher, not your mother. Okay?
You are the mother teacher.
Yes, mother teacher. Okay, game. Can you repeat it again? Would you like to start or would you like me to lecture you about good manners and right conduct? Okay, go. Would you like to start?
Yeah.
Okay, go.
Hello, everyone. So today we are going to discuss about the internal organs of our body together with the 5 senses.
Eyes.
Is that yours?
Ours.
Eh, bakit tayo kasi walang eyes eh?
You're
Or you don't have eyes? You don't have?
Sige.
You don't have? Oh no.
Eyes
The
is
first
used for
body
seeing.
organ
Okay.
Ears is used for hearing.
Next is our ears.
Mouth
Next
is
is our
for
nose.
tasting. Nose is for smelling.
Nose is for?
Smelling. Skin is for touching and feeling.
What was your name again?
John Michael B.
Can you introduce
Espinosa.
yourself to me?
My name is
Hello?
Hello everyone. My name is John Michael B. Espinosa. Team Espinosa.
Can you say thank you?
Thank you.
Okay. Your leader.
I'm not the leader.
You're not the leader. You're the
Next
assistant.
is the internal organs. May I have one request? The questions will proceed at the end of the report,
Wow.
not in between. Okay, thank you. So from the top, the brain. The brain's function is basically memory, speech, and thoughts. It also controls the respiration, the heartbeat, and the digestion. It is approximately 15 centimeters in width. The next is the lungs. The lungs is responsible for respiration. It is when you inhale, it's 24 centimeters. But when you exhale, your lungs contracts and it becomes 27 centimeters. The next is the heart. The heart is responsible for pumping blood throughout the body. Our heart is a double circulatory system. It is actually connected to the lungs. It is 12 centimeters in length, 8 centimeters in width, and 6 centimeters in height. Yes.
Okay.
The next is the liver. The liver is responsible for making bile. For females, it is 7 centimeters in length. And for males, it's 10.5 centimeters in length also. Then the next is the stomach. Stomach is basically the responsible one for digestion. It is where our food goes to when we eat it. The food is stored in the stomach together with the bile and is there for 2 to 3 hours. It is 30 centimeters length in length. The next is the gallbladder. The tiny one is under the liver. It's very tiny because it is very tiny. It is the one that stores the bile.
Bones protect our
Next is the
various
pancreas.
body
The pancreas is the one responsible in regulating blood sugar. It is 15 centimeters in length.
Bones
Next
protect
is the kidney. The kidney are two bean-shaped organs responsible for the toxin waste in our body. It is 10 to 13 centimeters long. Next is the small intestine. This wormy-like structure there. It is responsible in absorbing the nutrients found in the food that we eat. Next is the large intestine. The large intestine is the one responsible in absorbing the water in the food that we eat and makes the stool. And next is the urinary bladder. The urinary bladder is the one collecting the urine. It can hold up to 400 to 600 milliliters of urine. The next is the bone. The bone is the framework of our body. It supports our body so that we can stand, we can walk, and we can do other things. There are 206 bones in our body, but when we were a baby, there are 275. Next is the muscles. The muscles is
Where's the muscle?
muscle. It's only one because, oh my God, there's like a 500 muscles in our body. I can draw all that in just one day. The muscles is responsible.
The muscle?
Okay? Can I proceed now?
Okay.
Yes. The muscles are responsible for our posture and just like the bone. The bones and the muscles help us move and do other things like dancing, walking, like that. Without any of these organs, or even one organ removed, our body cannot move or function properly. In order to take care of our body, we need to eat healthy foods, drink lots of water, and prevent smoking. Thank you for listening. And do you have any questions?
You said a while ago that one major part of our body is missing, everything will not be functioning.
Yes.
How come, based on research,
Yes. Yes.
you can sell your liver?
You can sell your liver.
How is that supposed to happen? What is happening when one side of the liver is missing?
It will not function properly.
Are you sure?
Yes.
You, excuse me. If you have a coronavirus, which I guess you are watching a news. Okay? What is the sense that you don't feel when you don't have when you have a coronavirus? Talk to your sister. You bulong-bulong. What's the first sense you don't have when you are detected positive in coronavirus?
You cannot breathe properly.
You cannot?
Breathe properly.
Are you sure? Are you sure, madam? Or you're not watching news?
I'm not watching news. I
Watch?
don't watch news.
You only watch?
Hi, Q!
Okay, later. We will ask the other team. Sit down.
Close it, dweeb. Come
Okay.
on.
Now, guys, our next one will be the team Balading. Okay, introduce yourself.
Hi, everyone. Our names are Audrey and Baladi. Hi, everyone. My name is Aiden Christiane Baladi. Today, we are going to discuss about our body organs.
Anak, bigyan mo nga ng tungtungan si Mr. Balading. Wait lang, Mr. Balading.
Actually, hindi pa kompleto yung sagot namin kanina ni Michael.
Mamaya. Okay, yan na. Si Mr. Balading na. Kaya na ba? Anak, yung ruler na isa para abot niya. Okay, Mr. Balading. Start now.
This is the eyes. Eyes are used for seeing. Next is our ears. Ears are used for hearing.
Okay.
Next is our nose. Our nose is for smelling.
Okay.
Next is our bones. Bones protect our various organs of the body.
Okay. How many?
Tongue is for tasting.
Tasting. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, I have a question later. Later, darling, ha? Later, okay. Just mic ko. Nagagalaw.
Our next organ is our brain. Our brain is a 3-pound organ that is responsible for functioning of all body parts. Next is our esophagus. Our esophagus is our body part that is connected from our mouth to our stomach. Next is our lungs. Our lungs is our body organ that when we breathe in, it inflates like a balloon, and when we breathe out, it deflates like a balloon. Next is our heart. Our heart is an important body organ, just like our brain. Our heart is about the size of our fist, and it pumps blood through our whole body. Next is our stomach. Our stomach is a body organ that is where our foods go, and next is our liver. Our liver is a meaty organ in our body. Next is our kidney. Our kidneys are two bean-shaped organs that is about the size of our body, of our face. Next is our urinary bladder. Our urinary bladder is a muscular sac in our pelvis. Next is our large intestines. Our large intestines are partly digest foods come through the cecum to the colon. Next is our small intestine. Our small intestine is responsible for the small particles of foods coming from our stomach.
Where's your muscle? Okay. Grade Chermel Ann and Audrey. This is now my asking question. When we talk about cardiovascular system, which part of the body are we using? Get your boards. When we talk about cardiovascular system, which part of our body are we talking about? Boards up. Oh, but specifically it's the, or G, it's the heart. Okay? When we're talking about digestive system, which part of the body specifically we are talking about? This is not just one. Digestive system.
Lawas ka agad. Press mo
Okay na tayo? Mouth, esophagus, liver, kidney, small intestine, large intestine. Okay, okay. The small ones go in front and the big ones sit down. Board. Small ones. Board. Okay. How many, no sitting down. How many senses do we have? A while ago, you talk about the senses. How many senses? No. Senses. Senses. I'm talking about senses.
Ilan daw yan, hindi mo isusulat.
No, I'm not talking about body parts. I'm talking about body parts. Okay? I'm talking about senses. Mr. Balading, they are all in your face. You just count your face, your parts of the face, Mr. Balading. Okay, boards up, Mr. Espinoza. Okay, close, erase na. What senses do you use when you are watching TV? What senses do you use when you're watching TV? I didn't say part of the body. I said senses.
Hindi pala part. Hindi daw part.
Oh, yung adult one, tulungan nyo sa spelling. The adult one, spelling. It's not part.
Wala akong eraser.
Kuha ka dun. Nandun sa basket. Not body parts. It's a senses.
Wala akong eraser.
Not body parts. Senses. Not body parts. Senses.
Ganyan ako.
Not body parts. Senses.
I, N,
Miss Balading, kuha ka ng whiteboard marker sa, ayun o, na maganda dyan sa basket natin.
Ayan na. Ayun, sa basurahan. Dito. Ayun, basurahan. T.
Oh. Wag yan, hindi yan whiteboard ha. Yung, oo, hindi yan yan, oh, gamit na.
Ay. Oh.
Close mo, mawala ng tinta.
Sarap.
Mamaya, sabay.
Michael.
Three, two, one, go. Mr. Balading answers correctly, but the way of writing is wrong. Mr. Espinosa, one answer is correct, but the other one is not. How many senses do we have, Miss Espinosa?
5.
What are those senses?
Seeing, hearing, tasting, smelling, and feeling.
So you're saying that sight is incorrect.
Yes. It should be seeing for a grade 1 student's terminology.
Okay. Pero yung sila.
Okay? Are we clear? I have an apple and it tastes very sweet. What part of the body I use? What part? No more helping. No more helping. No. Go in front. No more helping. I am eating an apple and it's very sweet. What do I use to taste that it's sweet? To taste that is sweet.
Mali spelling mo. Andun na.
Naandyan na lahat. No need for helpers. Ikaw nag-explain eh. Bakit hindi mo na maalala? Niloloko mo ako. You can show to your sister, but your sister cannot answer. You can do it.
Small letter dapat.
Three, two, one, go. Oh, okay. Go. I am listening to YouTube. Listening to YouTube. Which part of my body I am using? I am listening to YouTube. Which part of my body I am using?
Michael, tingin ka.
Wait lang, Miss Espinosa. Mas excited ka pa eh. Kaya nila yan.
Hindi yan E-S yan. Ay, S yun.
Bakit kasi nasulat mo?
Pinagmamadali na rin kasi ako eh.
Ayusin ang sulat. Mali ang spelling, Mr. Balading. I am listening to YouTube. Bakit dalawang parte ng katawan yan, Mr. Espinosa?
Michael.
Walang E.
Michael. Listen.
Ikaw, Mr. Balading, I am listening to YouTube. Listen. Ano ba yan?
Tingin.
3, 2, 1.
Boards up.
Why is it capital, my darling? Kasi sa kasulat nga naman doon. Ito kasi, harap, punta na kayo sa harap.
Sabi niya, mami, okay lang.
Punta na kayo sa harap. Go. Lahat. Miss Espinosa, Miss Balading. Okay. Psst, wala nang board. What lesson did you learn today?
Science.
Okay, you. What lesson did you learn today?
Science.
What lesson did the two of you learn today?
Science.
Ha? Anatomy and what about you?
Science.
Science. Okay. What personal lesson did you learn today? Let's go for the team Balading first.
About our body organs.
Okay, that's your personal lesson. Okay, what about you, Mr. Balading? What personal lesson did you learn today?
Eyes, ears, bones, tongue,
Mm-hmm.
nose,
Okay.
skin.
Team Espinosa, what personal lesson did you learn today?
Operation ng pancreas.
Okay. Okay. No more? What about you, Mr.
Eyes, ears, bones, skin, nose, tongue.
Okay. Mr. Balading, go back to your partner. What grouping lesson did you learn today, Miss Espinosa? Teamwork, Mr. Espinosa.
Teamwork.
And then, were you able to apply that to your group?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Team Balading. What group lesson did you learn today's lesson? Teamwork. Ikaw.
Teamwork.
Teamwork. Okay. What moral lesson did you learn? The four of you. What moral lesson did you learn? Espinosa?
Body parts.
Patience.
Mahabang patient.
Mahabang patience.
35 feet pa rin yun sa akin.
Okay, Mr. Balading and Miss Balading.
Pasensya.
Pasensya. Ikaw. What did you learn in today? Ha? Moral lesson. Moral lesson, ibig sabihin, kabutihang asal. Hindi kayo nag-groupings ng walang dahilan. Anong mabuting asal ang natutunan mo ngayong araw na ito? At kahapon din, dahil kahapon kayo nag-umpisa niyan, di ba? Ha?
Science.
No. Sister, can you help your brother?
Pasensya.
Sa tingin nyo, natutunan nyo ba yon? Miss Espinosa? A little bit. Mr. Espinosa? Mr. Balading? May natutunan ka po bang pasensya? Mahirap? Mahirap? Mahirap. Ikaw? Medyo. Medyo. Oh, you say bye-bye na. Bye-bye na, guys.